Hey everyone, this video is going to be a bit different from my usual content. Nowadays, AI is a hot topic on the internet, so I thought it would be interesting to share 7 Netflix movies that will change the way you think about AI, instead of just talking about new AI tools. With so many theories about AI and the future, these movies will help you build the right perspective. I'm Techie Sapien, let's get started. 1. Black Mirror, Bandersnatch.
Bandersnatch.
Vander what?
Bandersnatch.
Imagine being a young programmer trying to turn a dark fantasy novel into a video game. As he delves deeper, he begins to question reality itself, encountering mind-bending twists that lead to an unforgettable conclusion. Must watch. 2. Tao. Picture a young woman kidnapped and forced to become a test subject for a scientist obsessed with perfecting his robotic AI. Her only hope of escape is to outsmart the AI that controls the house. Go give it a watch. 3. Ex Machina.
Our dead center of the greatest scientific event in the history of man.
Hello.
Envision a young programmer selected to evaluate the human-like qualities of an advanced humanoid AI. As the experiment progresses, he discovers the robot is far more self-aware and deceptive than anyone could have imagined. After watching this, your mind will be blown away. 4. Unknown Killer Robots.
AI is a dual-edged sword.
Think about AI's growing role in the military, from infantry to global command centers. This film dives into the dangers of machines making life or death decisions on the battlefield. This is an eye-opener. 5. Stealth.
Allow me to introduce the future of digital warfare. Eddie flies all by himself.
Imagine a computer-controlled fighter jet designed to learn from human pilots, but soon starts developing its own ideas, leading to catastrophic consequences. Check this out. 6. I Am Mother. Picture a teenage girl raised by a robot designed to repopulate the Earth after humanity's extinction. The story takes a twist when she encounters another human, challenging everything she's been taught. Go watch it now. 7. The Social Dilemma.
When you go to Google and type in climate change is, you're going to see different results.
Visualize a documentary that uncovers how social media and tech companies use psychological tactics to keep users addicted, all while tracking their activity to build AI models that predict actions. This will change the way you see social media. These movies will give you a new perspective on AI and its implications. That's it for today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Comment below with your favorite AI movie. Thanks for watching. See you next time.